What's up, YouTube? Thanks for watching. If you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, comment below if you'd like. This is the second part of my trip to Anamosa, Iowa to the National Motorcycle Museum. Hope you enjoy. "1948. Boy, that looks brand new. Beautiful. I'm on loan to the museum. That's a 58. Wow. How you doing? I missed a few back here though. Huh. Motor Guzzi with the Fat Bob tires, probably before the Fat Bob had them. Oh, that is beautiful. 1953. Hercules with a turbine looking engine. Top speed 88 miles per hour. Just fast enough to go back in time. Ooh, Steve McQueen's Indian chief. Huh. Very cool. Wow. El Diablo, Jesse James. Just amazing. Piston splitters. 37, a 39, a 44. Honda ST 1300. Wow. Valkyrie. Pretty bike. Hey, look, it's Shade Tree Surgeon. He parked inside. Wow, a flying Merkel. Husqvarna. Wow. Amazing. There's a Triumph, a Vincent. Is that a Maserati? That is a Maserati. Amazing. That's like a cafe. 56. Oh, look at that Indian. Oh my goodness. 12? Beautiful. Thor. Douglas. I'm not real familiar with Douglas. 47. Has those opposing pistons like a BMW. '28 dirt track racer. One of your greatest difficulties is going to be actually selling and planning out. 1909. Looks like it has the engine's like nickel. Beach bars. 6 horsepower. Ooh, a Honda. Wow. A Yale twin. 1913 it says. While his J&P promotion company was successful, J&P cycles struggled throughout the 1980s. Another Thor. Wow. Getting bigger. 16. Beautiful. Oh, Cyclone. Oh, that's a Bough Superior. Wow, right in this room are some of the most rare motorcycles you could find. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Check out that belt or chain made of leather. That's pretty cool. A leather chain. Oh, another flying Merkel next to the Scott flying squirrel. Look at that chain. Adventure bike. Oh, look at that little Springer front end. Thanks again for watching, guys. I like to try to keep these under 10 minutes if I can, so they're not too long, so you can watch as much as you want and then be done with it and not have to take forever. I'll go ahead and finish up posting the rest of these. Hopefully there won't be too many more. The next part's a lot of Indians and English bikes and whatnot. Very cool. So hope you enjoy these. Take care.